Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'll be using this scrapbook paper I got from Temu and this shelf sitter I got from Dollar Tree. The shelf sitter I painted the back and sides with butter pecan chalk paint, and that is by Folkart. Once that's done being painted, I apply a generous layer of Mod Podge to the front and then add down this scrapbook paper, which I believe I got from Joann's. I press it down and smooth it out with my hands and then use my heating tool to dry that layer of Mod Podge. Next, I take my micro sander and sand off all of the excess paper. I then cut the scrapbook paper that was from Temu, just so I'm using one side, that one image. I add Mod Podge to the scrapbook paper that's already adhered down and place down the other paper on top of that, just eyeballing it to get it centered. Carefully smoothing that out and then using my heating tool to dry that. After I have that dry and while it's still kind of warm, I take parchment paper and just smooth it all out and then add another layer of Mod Podge on top of that paper. Next, I'm taking this paper covered wire I got from Amazon. I wrap it around my hands about 6 or 7 times and pull it off my hands and keep it pinched in the center, and take another piece of the wire and wrap it around and twist it and cut off the excess. And then just start fanning out at the different loops and forming them into the shape I want, which I'm making it into a little flower. And then the last thing I do is hot glue it into place. That is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.